Welcome to the SFS Weekend Update. This is Morris, the double top, the neckline break, and Franco goes into full-blown correction. We had mentioned here that this market on a neckline break could get pretty ugly, and it certainly has. So a lot of these stocks have been getting roughed up. We'll keep you posted on entry opportunities. One thing that I'm always looking for, and when I see a market go into deeply oversold territory, I use the oscillator of the slow Stokes on a lot of candlestick analysis, but general market indicator, I like to use the RSI. And when RSI gets above the 70 area, as it did here, and below the 30 area, as it is doing just now, that sets up the opportunity to be taking profits and looking for tops on the plus 70 area and looking for re-entry opportunities on the lower area. So whereas this market has gotten overbought and stayed overbought for quite some time, because of the volatility of this last week, we've got a lot of stocks that are definitely deeply oversold RSI territory, and it's going to take a few weeks possibly, but it sets up for some very strong entry opportunities. And then there is the JP Morgan. We call it JP Bankster. We wanted to get involved in these shares simply because the big meeting that had been announced and the press conference that was being announced looked like we were going to have strong bankster intervention. You've literally got the government coming to the banks and saying we need liquidity, and that just means authorized printing, and they're putting that money to work. And that kind of liquidity, volatility in the markets. So what do we end up with, traders here and investors at SFS? A move on the day up 18%. It opens down here on this part of the candlestick and blows all the way up. Now, a lot of this can be short covering because a lot of people were short and they get taken out of their shorts. But I believe there's more to this, and I see these shares going back higher. This is a solid way to be in the stock market, and certainly you can see with the Federal Reserve support and the government support, these shares and these companies and the stock market in general is going to be a solid place to be. We'll keep you posted on entry instructions going forward. That's all for now. This is Morris saying thank you.